Are you a budget bride? DIY bride? I want a very cute, elegant ceremony kind of bride. If that's you, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Shantae. Welcome to my lifestyle as a mompreneur. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, I am going to share with you the 5 tools that I use for wedding planning, keeping things on a budget for my wedding. I'm also going to share one additional tool that is not free, but I feel is important enough to mention. I'm going to get these things done within 5 minutes. So here we go. One, Google Forms. Use this to collect all the information that you need from any of the guests that you plan on inviting to your event. Take a page out of my book and do not send this until you start figuring out what your cost is going to be. When I was first engaged, I was super excited and ready to invite people to my celebration of love and quickly realized I couldn't invite everybody because the price of the food at the venue was astronomical and I wasn't going to be able to have everyone on my guest list. So, don't do that. Don't get super excited too fast and send it out and then realize maybe it doesn't fit into your budget. Google Forms can also be used to create a virtual RSVP if that is a route you decide to go. Number 2, I use numbers and pages because I have a MacBook, but if you have a PC, you can use Excel or Word. You can use this to print out your envelopes. If you have a home printer, you can print out some really pretty envelopes yourself. I'll drop a picture to show you a template of what mine look like. Additionally, I use pages and I also use numbers for the mail merge feature. We don't have time to be sitting out typing out everybody's name and address and potentially have a typo or an error. So if you use the data that you collected from Google Forms and you download it into an Excel or a number spreadsheet, you can use that for your mail merge. 3, Facebook. I know, don't give me no crap about it. But Facebook is a great place to create a wedding group to disseminate a lot of information at one time. Because this is our second time doing this, we wanted to make sure that we were able to get a lot of information out because we were a little bit behind on getting our invitations out, although we had already sent out our save the dates. We have found that Facebook has been extremely helpful. We created a group of the people that were invited. For those who don't have Facebook or just don't know how to navigate it very well, you might want to send them screenshots or send them an email. Canva. Yes, Canva is an all-in-one tool. If you are DIYing any type of paper goods, whether it's your invitations, your RSVP, your details, all those things, you can do them on Canva. You can use the free version. You can use the free version and accomplish what you're trying to accomplish. If you so choose to decide that you would like to buy the pro version, then you do that. It's your business and it's your money. But do everything on Canva. Send it to a print shop, whatever your local print shop is. I use Office Depot and Office Max just because they're close to me and they're very affordable. Last but not least, Zola. There are a ton of wedding websites out there, but Zola seems to have everything I need in one place. I can list multiple events that we're going to be doing for the weekend, and each guest can RSVP to those events individually, which is phenomenal. I love that feature. It also will help you create seating charts and so many more things. You can use whatever wedding website you would like to use. I just think that for the free version of it, Zola offers a whole lot. I also made sure that I created a domain that is not free, but I created a domain that I know that we could use forever. And I made sure that I used that in Zola so people could just type in our personalized domain. And it was free for me to do that. Not the domain, it was free to set up the redirect from Zola to my domain. Last but not least, this planning book that I use, I purchased it on Amazon. It has been a lifesaver. It gives you all these different details and things that you would never ever imagine to even think about if you're not known to be a wedding planner. It even gives you timelines when you should send out your save the dates, your invitations, and anything else that you might need to be doing to make sure you're prepared for your special day. I have dropped the link below to this planner. The one that I use looked a little different from now because they changed up the version between the time that I purchased it and now the time that I'm sharing this information with you. However, it is an option. If you want to use a software, maybe there's a particular maybe there is a particular productivity software that you like to use, you're welcome to do that as well. I just feel this book encompasses everything that a budget beginner bride would need to know. And even if you're an experienced bride, if this is your second time on this rodeo, that is completely okay. There is no judgment here. Use these tools because they will help you as well. Happy planning, Don't let it stress you out too much. And I'll see you on the next video.